planetary scientist Kevin Grazier, and I spent 15 years working on the Cassini Huygens mission to Saturn and its moon Titan. So, why am I now here at the U.S. Military Academy in West Point, New York, teaching computer science? Well, that'll be one of the things I talk about at Pragyan 2018, so come see my talk. But now that I think about it, I also spent several years working in the entertainment industry as a science consultant, so maybe I want to talk about the more creative aspect of my career. I know. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to talk about both the technical aspect of my career and the more creative side. How am I going to blend those into one talk? Well, come see my talk and find out. See you in Trichy in a few weeks, Pragyan 2018.